So recording is turned on, and today we have a really simple agenda. Actually, it contains only because presentation report is for the people who are not able to connect the last time, and today it is for roadmap planning and very special news from European Commission
Mhm.
because let me please share my screen.
Okay.
Just a sec. Here we are. So here is a document that was published by European Commission. And I will now open it to see what we have there. It's already on my machine. Okay, now I will switch the window.
Here's Sergio.
Hi,
Hello, hello.
Sergio.
Sorry
Yeah.
to be late.
Nothing special. So, yeah, let me please. Can you see the document?
Yeah.
Perfect. So here is a European Commission staff working document. And as we can see, I will now open the proper place. Also, it's about Brazil.
Perhaps you could boost the font size a little bit.
Yes.
Having
Yeah,
trouble reading.
just a sec.
Great.
Here we are. Yeah. So this is a paragraph in the introduction that was actually cited in the Mattermost channel. And this is these are the, let's say, the key phrases here.
So decentralized global nature, tracking of the origin of infringing content. Difficult.
Yeah.
Content
This is a
filtering.
first. Yeah, this is a first thing. And this is a second.
So
So
the
this is
first
a
thing you
reason.
want to bring our attention to is the filtering possibilities. Basically, is that correct?
Sorry?
You said there's a first thing and a second thing, and the first thing
Yeah,
you want to bring
the
our
first thing,
attention
yeah, sorry. The first thing is, let's say, the introductory paragraph. And the second thing is actual infringement indication. Because
okay, so I see one thing I'm noticing is First of all, maybe that the European Commission doesn't normally acknowledge the existence of IPFS. If that's the case, then this is significant just because it's acknowledging its existence. Is that part of it? And the second thing may be they're introducing this idea of doing some censorship based on CID filtering, right?
Yes, and yeah, and it's already implemented the CID blacklist functionality in the IPFS client, official IPFS client. I am maintaining the Debian package for it, so I'm pretty sure that it exists.
So do you want to
But
tell
the thing,
us what are your concerns about this particular?
when the bureaucracy comes to the stage, they are starting working like, let's say, in the manner that they don't care about any details. You are using this, then you are supplying the piracy.
So they may block the technology, you mean?
Yes, they may ban the technology, and this is my biggest concern because it was already done with BitTorrent in Australia. Because in Australia, if you have a BitTorrent client on your machine, that you could be, at least you could be prosecuted.
And the solution you are developing is completely based on IPFS because
No,
IDO
uh,
is based on IPFS.
let's say we may switch to something else. We may switch completely to IRO, but IRO is closely connected to IPFS.
Yeah, that's what I mean. If but they are not signing IDO as
They
in the
did.
same. They mention IRO also.
Here, no. But IRO mentions itself as the IPFS implementation.
Okay.
Yeah, I will show you.
Okay. All right.
Yeah. Uh, can you see the screen?
Mhm.
Maybe they removed some data, but it will be good. It's an overview.
And
I will try to.
IPFS, it was based on
Yeah, here it is.
on mhm. But IPFS was based on Ethereum. Ethereum,
Sorry, I
or is
cannot hear you very well.
it's based
Yeah,
on
I'm having trouble
any?
too.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, but not that well. It's very keep going,
Yeah,
but it's not perfect.
Okay, I will see if I can fix it. But I mean, if IPFS was based on any kind of a blockchain
no,
or no.
no. A- And this is actually this is a concern which is indicated in the European Commission's document. As it does not, it's impossible to track the origin of the content. This is what they are. Yeah, this is what they are claiming on.
Hmm.
Yeah.
So just to be clear, the European Commission with this document, they're trying to combat piracy. They're trying to
Yeah.
fight piracy, and they're making recommendations about for IPFS content on IPFS. Here's maybe a recommendation or something they're trying to raise awareness about, right?
Let's
And
see. Yeah, let's see. I will open again the table of contents. So here we don't see the, let's say, the large infringement claims.
can you highlight what you're talking about?
Yes, here it is.
Okay. Okay. So
Let me search
yeah,
a bit because I didn't remember well about the recommendations.
just for my understanding, the BitTorrent does not use content IDs. Is that correct?
It does not, but it uses hashes. So they are actually conjoined it with
Hmm.
IPFS.
Okay.
But here, this document doesn't contain any, let's say, direct recommendations. It will be the probably the future task.
Right.
But IPFS with the implementation you are developing and the use of Realm, then you can ID the person who is issuing the
Yes,
our persistent
yes. Is it?
identifier.
Yeah, it's
So
intended.
we are
It's
sorry
intended to be.
we can prove that they claim that you cannot in our implementation of IPFS. It does this what they are saying in this document does not apply.
Yeah. The thing
So we can
on
say
which.
that they cannot ban the technology because we are not using it the way they are saying.
Yeah, and the thing is, when it comes to the persistent identification, it's like, let's say you are disclosing your identity by default, but IPFS is a backend. So, for example, it could be someone that pins the information which is published by someone else, and this is a context of redundancy. And this thing is actually implicitly, but it's indicated as a part of piracy.
Yeah, but the act of sharing, if you cannot promote open access and persecute sharing and the same time, the European Commission seems that they
Yeah,
have
actually,
a problem.
yeah, actually, it is what I am afraid of. Because, in a bureaucratic manner, when you are using such a technology, then let's say, some man turns on the documents and says, okay, this technology was mentioned there and there and there as, let's say, the technology used by pirates. So do you consider that it doesn't comply with higher standards? This is what this is
But
what I mean.
um, yeah, so they are just comfortable with the platformization of open access. They are like,
Ah, they seem so.
so you can publish in open access. The known publishers.
Oh,
So
yeah.
the same old, same old printers and publishers keep profiting.
Yeah. And as you see here is also
But this does not have an immediate effect.
No. It will be it will require some time to perform the recommendation development, anything.
So if we come up with our tool to create a network of persistent and decentralized persistent identifiers based on IPFS, and we declare explicitly that we are using based on IPFS, we can acknowledge this document and saying that we are not using it in the way we are using the technology in a different way. So we can, with our solution, make a stand to defend the technology. So try to ban in a different way, because otherwise you have to ban internet, because for piracy, then internet is the medium where piracy. If you want to, so if we use the technology for a purpose that we can prove is for a greater good, maybe we can make a stand. It serves our purpose that this document is there because we can be the case where IPFS can prove itself that their means is not piracy only.
Yeah, and it's let's say it's pretty good point. And about banning internet, you really make a really good point, because just some days ago I spent a lot of time building the anti-censorship VPN for Russia, because the country that can ban the internet on the territory now, sadly, it is Russia.
Yeah.
So let's say,
China as well.
every technology is, let's say, the two-sided sword. Yeah, so you're right. You're completely right.
Yeah, so you're thinking that this report is moving in the direction of saying IPFS, bad things happen on IPFS bad.
I am pretty sure that it will be used like this. But about what Sergio says, that we can use our development as the defense for technology, yes, we should. I think we should.
I just came back from my we have the winter break, but the last time I spoke with the secretary of research here at the university, they said that they are interested to put the project under the university. We don't have money, but we can give the platform on the institutional umbrella for the project.
And what are the requirements? What should we do?
Well, I'm waiting because they have a call. Actually, they call that they have for research projects that is open now is for related to the students and teachers. They will be open. The one for research of tools for the community or something like this. It means like development of tools that they can implement in the society. And it will fall under that one. They are seeing if we could somehow open a special window for this project to be registered before the official period registering that will come next year. because out of interest of a special case, they are seeing if not, we just have to wait 1 year. But if we can push it, is better. If we can, as soon as we can establish it. So because my idea is to present it to the at least 10 universities in Argentina, so they can implement the solution. And then if we have 10 members of a network, then we can test.
Yeah, yeah, it would be really a great idea. Yeah, I'm sorry, I'm a bit, I am a bit very tired and may somehow lose the focus because the week and the last week were really deadly.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But everything is working now well there in the.
Yes, yes, everything works, and also my VPN service for Russia is working.
Oh, great.
Yeah.
And John, I owe you some translations. I will be. Uh, I don't promise I will be finishing it this week, but I will try to.
Well, actually, Sergio, it's interesting. I just gave another tutorial yesterday, and with lots of updates. Unfortunately, the
Okay.
slide deck keeps changing. So I will share my latest with you. So
Okay.
let's make a
Great.
note.
And so I will waiting. I will be waiting for that. And the blog post from the French National Library is translated in Spanish.
Oh, really? Okay.
No,
No,
I'm asking.
you're asking. No, we have generally, in general, if you don't see a translation, we don't have translations.
Okay,
So it's a
that's a
shortcoming.
very interesting article
Okay, good.
because I was talking with Carlos because the one of the goals in the mandates of librarianship is to keep track of a national bibliography. And if you don't have a persistent identifier for the digital national bibliography, then how you can track it?
Right, right.
And
Andre, I just put the link to what we're talking
It's
about.
404.
404.
Yes.
That's
I
no
will try now
awesome.
to search, but it's 404 right now.
Oh, that's terrible. I've just realized it says 404 also.
Yes, and from
Um,
the direct website too. So there is something wrong on the Arc Alliance
Something is
website.
very wrong. It was working a minute ago. Maybe it's in the middle of a rebuild. Hopefully, it's
Maybe.
in the middle of a rebuild.
No, absolutely no.
Uh,
It cannot resolve the last part of the URI.
okay, well, let me. Here is I will, for the time being, here's the link to the post for the National Library of France. And Sergio, you should also know about this post.
Yeah, it's now this one works.
Yeah, it should work. The GitHub Pages site. And here's a blog post that's just about to come out about classic and modern arts. Sorry, Andre, I didn't mean to take so much time, but Sergio, you might be interested in that. And I'm very concerned about what's going wrong with arcs.org. This is a very bad look for persistent identifiers. I'm glad we're noticing it now, so I'll have to deal with that.
Yeah, and I think we will be forced to deal.
Yeah. Oh dear. This never happens. This is the first I've seen this kind of outage. So, sorry, I'll be a little bit distracted.
but it's working.
Both the links are working.
Yeah.
Okay. And the website
because
is,
it's GitHub, and
Yeah.
yeah, that was
the
GitHub
website
pages. The
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 website,
website
official,
is
maybe the blog posts, not all the blog posts are working. Some of the blog posts are working. Don't know why.
the last the one on the is there. Let me see.
Yeah, just that blog post is not working. So it looks like the rest of the site is working. I have some work to do. Sorry, I didn't mean to just take the time. I'll
No problem. But is this link different? Because link was working for me.
it was working, right? And is it not
This one,
working
the
now?
one I just pasted, is working.
Yeah.
But I don't see the difference. Oh, 23rd is yours. It's 25. The date.
Oh,
It was changed.
oh dear.
The one
yes.
you
Okay.
first shared, it says 21st, 23rd, and the 25th
Okay.
is working.
Yeah, it's incorrectly linked. Anyway, sorry to take this time. I'll have to deal with this.
No, but you
Um,
had a number difference.
yeah,
Yes.
there's a difference there.
It
It's
was just a,
incorrectly
just
linked.
a typo.
So what I was saying, there is librarianship. Librarians, we must have a track of national bibliography. And if you in the digital realm of publishing you cannot track the national bibliography if you don't have national persistent identifier. This is being discussed in the RDA, and this the solution of decentralized persistent identifier based on ARC that each country can have as like you can register as a real, then you can track the easily the sovereignty of your own bibliography, what countries are producing, but this what each country is contributing. In the DOI system, you do not. Everything goes to DOI. I mean, you can have a metadata about the country, but it's not there's not a nomenclature for country like is in ICBN or ISSN. DI does not have a country nomenclature, as far as I know.
DOI should, at least it should not.
So again, it's a loss of sovereignty
Oh, this is for sure. Because let's
because the
say,
only interest for DOI is for publishers to keep because it was from the beginning, and that's what I proved in my article.
yeah,
From the beginning, the only purpose is to keep track of what the publishers copyright.
yes, yeah.
So in that sense, ARC is much better tool. And if we can provide ARC with that interconnected
So with,
thing,
with anything, yeah.
what do you think, John?
I'm in favor of ARCs as general, but the devil's in the details, right? So, um, but I'm sorry, I'm just a little bit distracted. So
No
maybe
problem.
I've got
No
to fix
problem.
this problem because we posted this link on Mastodon and people are going to be clicking on it and saying, "What the fuck?" You know.
Oh, I see.
So I'm listening
Okay.
with. You'll ask your question in 5 minutes while I fix this thing.
No problem. So I think we can. I also have things to attend. It was a short but good meeting. Andre is tired. You have urgent things to attend. I think you can call it for today and see
Uh,
in
may
15 days.
Yeah, may I suggest another thing because there is
Yes,
a conference that it's a PID Fest. I will share now the screen again
the
for
one in
short.
Holland.
I guess so. Just a sec.
Yes,
Yep.
we have the
Yeah.
CSB conference talk to prepare as well. First,
Yes. And we should meet. Me and Sergio should meet in Bologna. I am planning my visit there.
yeah, you are being there. I don't think I can get it. So you will be presenting for both of us.
Uh, really glad to do in case, but I prefer if that we shall meet and to make a lot of decisions together because about
Yeah,
this
of course.
because about Pitfest, what I wanted to propose is to have this Pitfest as a point to present something working. So I think it would be the good deadline for a prototype.
Oh, nice. Yes.
Yeah. So let's
Yeah.
just indicate it for now in this
Yes,
summer
but
meeting.
this, uh, what are the deadlines?
Just a sec. There are something. It's uh, I don't see anything here.
Proposals or something? They say.
Nothing. Oh no. Sorry.
Okay. Okay, but we keep track. It's in
Yeah.
June 2026.
Yeah. It's October 2026, so it should be around May.
October.
Yeah, around May, I guess.
I haven't
Okay.
seen the announcement for PidFest before. Could you put that in the chat?
Yes.
This was in Prague last year.
Yeah.
Yes, it was in Prague. Here they are. But it was done by it was hosted by Handel.
Yeah.
And yeah, it's everything in Czech except the presentations themselves, what they are publishing. They are publishing the videos and the presentations as well.
Yeah, it's a good deadline. So by
Yeah,
next
really a
year,
good
we
deadline.
have something. Next year, May 2026, we should have something.
Yeah,
Hard to hear you, Sergio.
yes, it's hard to hear because of a channel. It's something with the network.
Oh, sorry. Yes.
That's better.
Yeah, I have a new computer, but it's an old one actually. It's a
No,
refurbished.
no, it's yeah, it's just a network because I just can hear the packet loss.
Okay. So that's it.
Yeah,
We call it for today.
yes,
Yeah.
I think so. And we will meet again in 2 weeks. It will be July 12th of August, right?
Yeah. If you want, we can meet, next Tuesday for us to talk about or if you prefer Friday, we can do it Not this Friday, the next one.
Next Friday, yes. Next Friday, yes. It will be good.
Okay, so we meet next Friday to talk about the presentation and start working on that Bologna presentation.
Yes.
That's the two of you, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Good enough.
Thank you
Okay.
very much.
Right.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye.